Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to quickly optimize a cold email campaign. So I've created this funnel visualization for you that shows you the 5 layers that I look at to optimize it. It starts with the audience, goes down to the subject, then the first line of the email, then what's in the body, and the call to action. And the top half of this really is reflected in your open rate, and the lower half is your reply rate. So the first thing to do if you're not getting replies at your cold email is to ask yourself if you have the right audience for this message. Once you've got the right audience, some people will open your email, even if it's a poor email. Then from there, you can begin to say, okay, we know we've got a couple of opens, but not enough. Let's start playing around with our subject line. That's the next thing to move to begin optimizing. Once you improve your subject line, you'll begin to see a higher open rate. And then from there, you can play around with the first line of the email, the first sentence in your email that shows up in the little preview in the person's email inbox. So you've got the audience to make sure you're talking to the right people, which in over 100 years of direct mail studies, they said audience was 60% of the result. So this is true in cold email as well. The audience is super important. Then getting that subject line to get their attention and the first line to really engage them to open the email are critical. Once you've got them opening it, then it's all about the message that you've sent and how good your call to action is. So the offer, you could almost replace this with the word offer and call to action. And they go hand in hand. You don't need to send these people mile-long emails that take them a half an hour to read. Something straight to the point that provides the value that you think they need in your value proposition and the good call to action that's going to convert them into a response for you. So this is how you improve a cold email campaign. It's really straightforward. People make it sound pretty confusing and like there's a whole lot that you don't know, but really once you see this, it'll stick with you. So you've got the audience and the subject and the first line to improve your open rates, and then to improve the amount of leads you get back. After you've got that top part right, focus on the offer that you're making and the call to action that you provide. If you guys are interested in seeing my cold email benchmarks for open rate and reply rate, I have a complete guide that's a full 1-pager. This is just the top half, and I'll put the link in the description for you this video. Thanks. Have a great day.